What's up, guys? Today we are here at Red Mist. It's been a long time coming, finally getting my car tuned. This is my first YouTube video on my own channel, so bear with me here. I'm using a friend's camera, a Steam 13. I installed a new radiator on the car because when we tuned the pump gas, it was overheating after X amount of time on the dyno. So we just put an upgraded aluminum radiator and we drained all the 93 out, made sure the pump gas tune was good. We put E and now she's sitting on the dyno waiting to be tuned. So we're gonna see what happens. Yeah, right now, I believe I was making almost 400, 394 on 20 PSI of boost on pump gas. Hopefully on E85 we'll hit 500. Baseline E85 pull. Is that 361?
361.
Base E85 pull is already making as much as our full pump gas. Holy fuck! This is pull number 2 after some adjustments were made to pull number 1. Pull number 1 netted about, I think 468. So that last pull, we cracked 500. We did one more pull. We made 507. According to Mike, the dyno was not generating enough load. There was something wrong with his load cell, so he had to ship it back to Dynocom. So in the meantime, I'm kind of stuck at 507 until we can get the dyno to generate load to help the turbo spool up faster and, spool up at all. Because on the dyno, it's actually spooling up much slower than it spools up on the street. We unstrapped it from the dyno, we took it up to the street, and it rips. I mean, he said if we were making 500 on the dyno, we're probably in the 530 range on the street due to the load affecting the turbo spool. So, with that being said, I'm going to pick up the car tomorrow. I hope I don't die on my way home, because that would suck. When I get home, I'm gonna, throw it into my garage right away and just kind of go over the car with a fine-tooth comb, now that I'm actually making some serious power. Make sure all my suspension bolts are torqued, make sure everything is just tightened correctly so I don't have a wheel fly off on me. And right now my first track day is scheduled for the weekend of April 27th and 28th at Gingerman Raceway. It's actually the same track day with the same organization on the same weekend that this car blew up at last year. So this is kind of like a grudge match for me. Last year I made it 5 sessions or 4 sessions, I can't remember, before the car blew up. This year I hope to drive the car home in one piece. With the built motor and the fact that we're going to be dialing the tune down, I think that's possible, but with my mechanical skills, you never know. So that'll be interesting to see. I'm really excited to have started my own YouTube channel. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna see where this takes us. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you later.